Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning target is I can convert a percent to a decimal, decimal to percent, and fraction to decimal, just like we've been working on with our portion webs. Here are some notes to help you. So it shows you how to convert from one form to the next. So decimal to percent, you would multiply the decimal by 100. Fraction to percent, you have to set up an equivalent fraction using 100 as the denominator. Percent to decimal, divide the percent by 100. So these are just some notes to help you in case you're still struggling with this. Use sticky notes to fill in the other 3 spots on the portion web. So I see on this first one that 72% is filled in. So I have to fill out the rest. 72% would be 72 out of 100. So my first post-it note for the fraction would be 72 out of 100. I could say that as 72 hundredths. So that is how I will put it in words. And if I use my place value correctly, a 0 and 72 hundredths for my decimal. The 2 would be in the hundredth spot. And that would go as my decimal. So you're just going to fill out the rest of the portion webs on this slide. There's something given to help you fill out the rest. And on the last slide, you're going to do the same exact thing. So you have 0 and 30 hundredths as your decimal here, and you have 85% as your percent here. You just have to fill in the rest of it.